can see that there are the degrees in there for the timing on the engine. Okay, so that is the drive for the speedo cable. So we don't get them confused when we and injector pipes don't have to be that tight, even though they have ridiculous pressure in them. Go, pump out.
I have short and cold this iron, so what I can do is bolt the pump onto here and that'll make it a lot safer for me to do any of the work. So we'll get the pump bolted up.
And then we can have a look at taking it to bits. So it's only the same 4 bolts that hold it to the tractor I'm going to use. And I'm hoping that see holes somewhere that line up. And then just make sure they're just not going to fall out on me. This plate makes it so much easier. Just like that, they come out. That's the helix there. So that is the delivery valve. As we can see there, where my thumbnail is, or lack of thumbnail, is a little mark for the timing on the pump. You can see corresponds to the line here pretty much. And if we look down in here, hopefully we can see, not too sure how well you can see, but we can see that there are the degrees in there for the timing on the engine, and that is the amount of degrees before top dead center.